Let's move on to the next application of R in IR, data freezing. We call it data freezing in our institution, but it may come with other forms. The main objective is to compare different data sets to identify any inconsistencies. This task typically involves collaboration. For instance, every semester, the IT office and the registrar's office send me enrollment reports from their respective database. My responsibility is to compare the two data sets and identify any discrepancies. To facilitate this process, I create a file with multiple tabs, each representing a different group of data conflicts found in the two data sets. Once I send the file back to the IT and registrar's office, they review the conflicts and determine which data set contains incorrect data. They then make the necessary corrections or updates and send me their dataset for a second round of review. I repeat this cross-checking process until both datasets align with each other, ensuring a consistent database. The first step in comparing datasets is to load the data and perform basic cleaning. I've also implemented a naming convention for column names to clearly distinguish which dataset each column belongs to. For example, columns from dataset 1 have a suffix of DTA1. After applying the same convention to dataset 2, I merged the two datasets into one for easier comparison in the subsequent steps. The next step of data freezing involves using the if-else function to compare columns that should measure the same variable. Let's take the major columns as an example. We compare the curriculum column, which is the column name referring to major in dataset 1. We compare that with the major column in dataset 2. If they have the same value for a row, they are considered a match. Otherwise, they are flagged as a mismatch. All mismatch rows are stored in the conflict major object. After we went through all other column pairs, we save all conflict objects as different tabs in an Excel file. The code for this saving step should look familiar with you. Should look similar to the previous section when we need to save all the files in the data cleaning section. While data comparison might not be a routine task for IR, it can still be valuable in ensuring data integrity when you need to do this type of task. Please let me know if you have any questions for this section on data freezing.